Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 4, paper 12 March 2020. The first term of geometric progression and the first term of an arithmetic progression are equal to A. So we have here a geometric progression and arithmetic progression. So given the first term, U1 is A, and U1 also is A. The third term of geometric progression, which is AR squared, the third term of geometric progression is equal to the second term of arithmetic progression, which is A plus D. The fifth term of geometric progression, which is AR to the power of 4, is equal to the sixth term of arithmetic progression, which is A plus 5D. Now we have information about arithmetic and geometric, the same first term. If we equate between U3 and U2 as it's written, the third term and second term are equal, you will get AR squared is equal to A plus D. This is a relation between AR and D. And if we equate also by U5 is equal to U6, so you will get another equation, AR to the power of 4 is equal to A plus 5D. He asked to get what? Given that all terms are positive and not all are equal, find the sum of the first 20 terms of arithmetic progression in terms of A. So he asked to find S of 20, which is equal N over 2, 2A plus N minus 1 times D. N is 20, so S20 is equal 20 divided by 2, which is 10. 2A plus N minus 1, 20 minus 1 is 19D. He asked to get this in form of what? In form of D. In form of A. So you have to get a relation connected between A and D. How to get the relation between A and D? By looking at these two equations. Try to remove R and get a relation between A and D. From this equation, you can get R squared and substitute in this equation after squaring it again to be S to the power of 4. If we try to get R squared as a subject, it will be A plus D all divided by A. If we substitute in this equation, A times A plus D divided by A all squared is equal to A plus 5D. Take your time, expand, simplify, and get a relation between A and D. A plus D all squared will be A squared plus 2AD plus D squared all divided by A squared is equal to A plus 5D. We can divide it by A, then cross multiplication, A squared plus 2AD plus D squared is equal to A times A plus 5D. Expand, A squared 2AD plus D squared is equal to A squared and 5AD. Remove A squared from both sides. So D squared is equal 5AD minus 2AD. So D squared is equal to 3AD divided both sides by D, so D equals 3A. He asked to get your answer in terms of A. Now you can remove D and write 3A. So the final answer will be 10, 2A plus 19 times 3A. So answer will be 10, 2a plus 3 times 19 is 57 times a. When we add 2 will be 59a multiplied by 10. So will be 590a. This is the final answer in terms of a. That's it. Thank you.